The Global Hawk is the largest and most advanced unmanned aircraft in the world today. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is the first unmanned aircraft to obtain certification from the U.S. Aviation Agency to fly and land at civilian airports automatically. The RQ-4 Global Hawk, known as Tier 2+ during development, was a reconnaissance, low-wing unmanned aerial vehicle used by the U.S. Air Force and the German Navy and Air Force as a reconnaissance aircraft. U.S. deploys RQ-4 Global Hawk spy drone flying in Ukrainian skies. Many international airlines have a flight in the Ukrainian sky, so the unmanned aircraft is free to go back and forth. RQ-4 Global Hawk fly for several hours in the Ukrainian sky for one occasion. Since the past month, 2 reconnaissance drones have made regular flights from bases in the Mediterranean Sea to Ukraine, turning several times in the north and east. Global Hawk, a demonstration of advanced concept technology in 1995, the system is determined to have military utility and evolutionary ISR capabilities to fighters. Global Hawk has been operationally deployed for emergency operations since 2001. The unit can patrol for 30 hours at an altitude of 18,000 meters. This drone was developed by the U.S. company Teledyne Ryan Aeronautical, a subsidiary of Northrop Grumman. In the name RQ-4, R is the Department of Defense designation for reconnaissance, and Q for unmanned aircraft systems, and number 4 refers to a series of remotely controlled systems. Global Hawk, relying on a Rolls-Royce F-137 Rural Route 100 single-jet turbofan engine capable of producing a thrust of 34 knots, 7,600 pounds of thrust, with the Global Hawk's maximum speed reaches 629 km per hour, and can fantastically air continuously for 32 hours. The cruising range is also extraordinary, which is 22,779 kilometers, because it flies at an unnatural altitude. The fuel tank section on the composite wing is equipped with a heated fuel system, to prevent the after from freezing in cold temperatures. RQ-4 Global Hawk in the design: wingspan 39.8 meters, length 14.5 meters, height 4.7 meters with a weight of 6,781 kilograms, fuel capacity 7,847 kilograms and takeoff weight 14,628 kilograms. The aircraft also has a payload of 1,360 kilograms with a speed of 357 miles per hour that can cover a distance of 12,300 nautical miles, durability for more than 34 hours and a ceiling of 18,300 meters. RQ-4 is an unmanned aircraft with very high cruising capability and flight capability for a very long time. This aircraft entered service in 1998 and remains one of the main reconnaissance aircraft for the USAF. The RQ-4 Global Hawk drone is designed to obtain intelligence information in real time, with high-resolution images for all weather and terrain, both night and day. These drones do not have offensive capabilities. However, the ability of drones lies in their ability to combine range, vantage point, and persistence with powerful surveillance sensors to monitor ground or maritime activities in great detail. Its large size and heavy capacity allows the drone to use equipment such as a large telephoto camera lens to get a detailed view of the target.